नमस्ते पुरुषं त्वाद्यान् ईश्वरं प्रकृते परम् अलक्ष्यं सर्वभूतानाम् अन्तर्बाहिरवस्थितं मायाजालनिकाच्छन्नम् अज्ञातोऽक्षरमव्ययं न लक्ष्यसे मूढदृशा नतो नायदरो यथा नाट्यादरो यथा तथा परमहंसः
Gayatri also you can sing together. Yeah. Yes. I will.
तथा परमहंसानां मुनीनाम् अमलात्मनां भक्तियोगविधानार्थं ततं पश्येमहि श्रिया कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकीनन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः नमो पंकजनाभाय नमो पंकजमालिने नमो पंकजनेत्राय नमस्ते पंकजांघ्रिये यथा ऋषिकेश कलेन कंसेन रुद्ध चिरं सुशाकिता विमोक्षिताहं च सहात्मा च विभो त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात् विशान महाग्ने पुरुषार्थाया मृदे कमहारताश्चतो द्रव्यस्थितः विपदा सान्तुताः शाश्वत तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनाय अपुना दर्शनम् जन्मैश्वर्य एदमानामगकुमार नैव रत्यभिदातुं वा त्वं किञ्चन गोचरम् नमो किञ्चन वित्ताय निवृत्तगुणवृत्तये आत्मरामाय शान्ताय कैवल्यपतये नमः मन्ये त्वां कालमीशानम् अनादिनिधनं विभुं समन्तरन्तं सर्वत्र भूतानां न वेद कश्चित् भगवान् हमानस्य निगम्बनं यस्य कश्चित् दैवोऽस्ति कश्चित् विषमामतीर्णाम् जन्म कर्म च विश्वात्मनः यादसि तदत्यन्त विदम्बनम् गोप्यादस्मतागसिदामतावाद्याते दशाश्रु कलिलाञ्जनसम्भ्रमाक्षम् वक्त्रं निनियवपायं भावनायास्ति तस्य सा विमोहयति वीरपि यद्बिभेति जातं पुण्यश्लोकस्य कीर्तये यदो प्रियस्यान्धकाये मलयस्येव चन्दनम् अपरे वासुदेवस्य देवक्याम्यच्युतोऽभ्यगात् अजस्तं साशिषेमाय वदाय सासुरद्विषाम् बारावकारायणो सिद्ध्यन्ते भूरिभारेण जातो हि आत्मा विवर्जितः स्मरणार्हानि करिष्यान्ति केचन श्रीमन्ति गायन्ति गिरन्ति नन्दन्ति तवेदिनञ्जनाः तयेव पश्यन्ति अचिरेण काव्यं प्रभापराम्बुजम् अप्याद्यनास्तं श्वेतसुहृदोऽनुजीवना येषां न चान्यात् भवतो पदाम्बुजात् परायणं राष्ट्रयोगितां हसाम् केवलं नाम रूपाभ्यां यद्भिः पाण्डवा भवतो दर्शनं यर्हि ऋषिकानामिवेशितु नेयं तत्र यतेदानीं गदाधर त्वत्पदैरङ्किता इमेजनपदस्वरिदा
वेदान्ते तव विकसितः अथ
ईश विश्वात्मन् विश्वमूर्ते सुकेशु मे स्नेह पाशं इमं छिन्धि दृढं पाण्डसु विष्णुषु अनन्यविषयामतिर्मधुपते सुखे ज्योतिमुद्वहता तद्दा गन्धे वागमुदन्वति
Shri
श्री
Krishna
कृष्ण कृष्ण सखा विष्णु सभावनुद्रु राजन् वंशादहना कागर्गवीर्य गोविन्द गोतीज सुरतिहरावतार योगेश्वर अखिला गुरु भगवान नमस्ते
नमस्ते Hare Krishna Mataji Brinda also there Vinta Mataji I think Mataji is there outside. Yeah, we'll go to now Vaishnav prayer.
Oh, I got hurt. That's okay. That's fine. It will go.
Oh, what happened, Brinda?
Brinda is also there here.
Okay, Brinda, we'll do the Srimad Bhagavatam and Karen.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Shubhadra.
Oh, Subhadra also there. Okay, I didn't see it. Subhadra, you were there in Kunti prayers while we were doing?
Yes, Mataji, just a little bit.
Okay. We will go to the now Bhisma prayer. So every week we will do, okay, like this. Every week we will do this till the time we get to
Hare Krishna Mataji. Today, my friend's daughter, she's from Chile, South America, Devina, she has joined for the first time.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna Devina. Do I see you? Are they living here, Mataji?
They are living in Chile, Mataji, South America.
Devina is from our Guru Maharaj call, Mataji.
Yes. Srinam Radha's daughter.
See you on the call every day.
Yes.
Hari Bol, Devina. Okay, we are learning today from today Gajendra prayers. We are just revising the Bhisma prayers and Kunti prayers. Okay, Devina, if you are, I just have to go. 1 second.
22.
32,
30. I only turns to cards.
Okay, we are revising the Bhisma prayers. Okay, now go ahead with the tune. Okay, everybody, when you sing with the tune.
Abhavatu me Bhagavan Vijayaragamba Hare Krishna, Hare Rama,
So much. It's very nice. Yes, you all did so nicely. We'll do next week again. Okay. I just want to know who joined the today. All kids are joining. I saw Mataji is already giving introduction of. Yeah, Devina is joining today first. And then Akshita is also joining to learn Gajendra prayers. Deepak and Kaushi also join.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak
Those
and
who were joining last week. Okay? Meet is there. Shreya and Shreya. No, Shreya and Shreya's. Okay, we'll go to the today Gajendra prayer. Moksam, okay? Gajendra prayers.
I feel like it's gonna be a little hard.
No, it's same like others. Okay, thank you so much. Now we'll do little prayers. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjanasya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay. Today we'll go to little story also. Okay, we'll see who is Gajendra.
How many verses does Gajendra prayers have?
I think almost 30, 26. That was I didn't check. Yeah, there is more smoke only. More. Okay. Who is Gajendra? Okay, first of all, we learn who is Gajendra.
Mataji.
Yes, who is this?
I already know the whole story.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah.
Me too. Valerie also knows.
Okay. Okay. You can also can listen again. Okay. Maybe some kids are new. Yes, they may not know all the story. Who is Gajendra? We'll go to first that part, okay? Yeah, I will go at this part. Who is Gajendra? Gajendra in his previous birth had been a great
Mataji, wait. Mataji, what you are sharing, Mataji, different one, huh?
Yeah. Who is Gajendra, Mataji? I am sharing.
But we are seeing Veda based, Mataji.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, yeah, maybe I have to share again, Mataji. Okay. I have to stop sharing and then. Now can see Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Yeah. Who is Gajendra? Gajendra, in his previous life, he was a king. He was a great devotee, and he was a king. And in this life, he is elephant. Okay. You can see the picture, yes? You can
Yes.
see the picture of elephant. You can see the picture how he was praying to Lord Vishnu. And then who is Gajendra? First of all, we learn who is Gajendra in his previous life. Okay, Gajendra in his previous birth had been a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. His name was Indradhumna and he was a king of the Tamila country. Yeah, you know. Yes. And he went to the hills to meditate.
Mataji,
Yes.
I thought King Indradumna was a sage.
No, he was a king. He was a great king, Raja Rishi. That time the king used to be a
Who is Vishnu? Vishnu.
yeah. He offended the sage.
So he's a king and he also meditates.
Yeah, that time now king. That time the king used to be Raja Rishi. King used to be king, and he used to take care of the country. Same time they used to be very great devotee of Lord. You know. And that's why we in Vedas it says the king, this kind of king who are devotee, great devotee of Lord, they are Raja Rishis. Okay, Raja plus Rishis both they have combined sage and king. Raja Rishi means king plus sage. Okay, he went to the hill to med. We have a two pastime. Another pastime also King Indradumna. How many of you know? You know what pastime you know?
Came from Radumna, and he saw the deity of
Jagannath,
Krishna.
yeah, Neelamadhav, yeah.
Neelamada.
Jagannath pastime also, it came from the Indradumna.
It's in the Sri Jagannath book, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
I
He was
have that book.
very great devotee. Yes, Balavrinda. He was a great devotee of
I know the story.
Neelamadhav. Nilmadhav. He really wanted to see him, and then later on he sent his servant to find Nilmadhav.
Mataji?
Yes.
No, is this king in the Dimna is the same king in the Dimna now who was
Yeah.
looking for Neelamada?
Yeah, I feel same. I'm not sure, but it might be same king because they both were the devotee. I never find any where they are difference. I didn't get any reference, but the name is same. It might be same because
Okay.
the name is same, but I'm not sure. Also, I didn't get any reference. Okay, I thought in that way. He went to the hills to meditate upon the Supreme Personality of Godhead in silence. Agastya Rishi, along with many disciples, one approached King Indradumna's ashram. But because the king was meditating on the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he could not receive Agastya Rishi properly. And thus, the Rishi became very angry and caused the king to become a doll elephant.
Okay.
In accordance with this course, because of that course, the king was born as an elephant and he forgot all about his previous activities
Yeah,
in
because
devotional
we
service.
also forgot all of our activities in our previous life.
Yeah, but he later on when he had a difficulty, he remembered this all the sloka. You know, when you learn all this sloka very sincerely, put in your heart. Anytime when difficulties time, we all may remember. You know, like he for even though he forgot everything, when
But
he,
how did you remember his previous life?
that when he went through so much difficulty, that time he remembered the slokas. You know, and he was praying. Thus the Rishi became very angry and cursed the king to become a dull elephant. You know, because of that curse, king was born as an elephant and he forgot all about his previous activities in devotional service.
We also forgot.
However, in his birth as an elephant, when he was dangerously attacked by the crocodile, he remembered he remembered his past life in devotional service and remembered a prayer he had learned in that life. Because of these prayers, he again received the mercy of the Lord. Thus, he was immediately delivered, and he got the same bodily feature as the Lord, being dressed in yellow garment and possessing 4 hands. Immediately delivered by Lord. Okay, now we can go and see how he attacked by the crocodile. Okay. In the midst of the ocean of milk, there is a very high and beautiful mountain named as Trikuta. Beautiful mountain.
I know. And Trikada there was 3 mountains. One was golden, one was silver, and
Yes.
one was.
We read in the book, yes?
Yeah,
Once the chief of the elephants, along with female elephants, went to enjoy bathing in that lake. And they disturb the inhabitants of water. Because of this, the chief crocodile in that water was very powerful. Immediately attacked the elephant's leg. You know, thus a great fight started between the elephant and the crocodile. The fight continued for 1,000 years, long time.
Oh my God!
Yeah, that time, you know. Neither the elephant nor the crocodile died, but since they were in the water, you know, the elephant gradually become weak, whereas the power of the crocodile increased because crocodile lives in the water, yes, because of his home, you know, home country. Sometime when there is a football, if there is a home country, they always win, you know, like that. He got power. And it was also in this material world, this place is not our real home, you know. Real home is our Goloka Vrindavan. Yes, and then we also get affected by this Maya. This is the place of Maya. Yes, like same way, crocodile, the elephant gradually become weak, where the power of crocodile increase more and more. Then the elephant being helpless and seeing that no one could help him, pray to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He was thinking nobody could help me. He was calling his wife, he was calling his neighbors, friends. They all were enjoying together, you know. And then he want help from them, but nobody. They say we could not help, you know. And then he started asking to the Lord. And the king of the elephant, remembered a prayers that he had learned in his previous life and began to chant it to himself. First, he offered his respectful obeisances to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and because of his awkward position in having been attacked by crocodile, he wasn't able to recite prayers nicely. However, he tried his best to chant the mantra as nicely. Yeah, Krishna is coming, yes? Yeah, he wasn't able to recite prayers nicely. However, he tried his best to chant the mantra as nicely as he could. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, seated on Garuna. He's coming. See, slowly he will be coming here. See, first place I put, yes, how he is coming in the Garuna. And here is a crocodile. See, crocodile is attacking. And then, yeah, he was not, yeah. The Supreme Personality Godhead, Narayana seated on Garuna, personally appeared before him, Gajendra, by lifting his trunk. He immediately took a lotus flower in his trunk and with great difficulty due to his painful condition, he said the following word, "O my Lord Narayana, Master of the universe, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you." And the Lord immediately pulled him from the water along with the crocodile who had captured his leg. Then the Lord killed the crocodile with his beaks, and thus Gajendra rescued Gajendra. Okay.
I have
That
a question.
yes.
Oh. Who was the crocodile in his previous life?
Yeah, that is suspense. Next week, okay. We will read the crocodile story next week, okay.
Mataji, the crocodile was Hoo in his past.
Yes, he was hoo, you know. There he also offended one rishi, and then he became like that.
Was he a devotee?
He was a demigod.
Then why did Krishna kill a demigod?
He's a devotee, yeah. He's a demigod. They all are devotee.
Oh,
Yeah,
that was he freed the curse of the crocodile.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the today's sloka, okay? This is the today's,
Who?
yeah.
Who was?
We'll go and learn the sloka. All of you can repeat after me, okay? First of all, we'll go word by word. No, we'll go word by word. 1 second. Jana, wait. We'll go word by word. We'll read the translation because, you know,
Mataji, can you put the slideshow mode because letters are very small. We can't see them.
Yes, Mataji. Something. Is this a slideshow mode, Mataji?
Mataji, I can see
No,
it.
Mataji, in the bottom. Yeah, now it is good.
Okay. Yeah. Can you say, we will go word by word. Sri Gajendra Vacha. Gajendra, the king of elephants, said.
Gajendra, the king of elephants, said,
Om Namo Om, oh my Lord.
Oh my Lord,
Namaha, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you.
Namaha, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you.
Bhagavate, unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Unto the Supreme Personality
Tasmai unto him.
unto him,
Yataha, from whom.
Yataha, from whom,
Etat, this body and the material manifestation.
this body and the material manifestation.
Chid Atmakam is moving due to consciousness, the spirit soul.
the Atma is moving to consciousness, the spirit soul.
Purusaya, unto the Supreme Person.
Purushaya, unto the Supreme Person.
Adi Vijaya, who is the origin or root cause of everything.
Adi Vijaya,
Who is the origin or root cause of everything.
Para Isaya, who is the supreme transcendental and worshipable. For the such exalted person as Brahma and Shiva.
Para Ishaya, who is the supreme and transcendental and worshipable for such as Brahma and Shiva.
Avidhimai, let me meditate upon him.
Let me meditate upon him.
The king of the elephants, Gajendra said,
The king of the elephant, Gajendra said,
I offer my respectful obeisances unto the Supreme Person.
I offer my
Respectful obeisance on
to the Supreme Person.
Supreme Person.
Deva Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Because of him, this material body acts
Because of his material body acts due to the
presence of spirit.
due to the presence of the Spirit.
And he is therefore the root cause of everyone.
and he is
And he
therefore
is
the
therefore
For the root cause of everything.
Who is worshipable for such exalted person.
He is
he
worshipful for such
Worship
exalted person as Brahma,
Brahma and Shiva.
as
Brahma and Shiva.
Shiva.
He has entered
he has
He
entered
has entered
the heart of every living being.
the heart
the heart of every living being.
Let me meditate upon him.
Let me meditate upon him.
Okay, he see here, before also we read in the story, in the beginning it was very hard, yes, for Gajendra to remember, and he was trying his best. And he offered, first of all, he offered his obeisances to whom? The Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Who is sitting? Everyone's heart, you know?
Krishna.
Yes, he is sitting as Paramatma in everyone's heart with us. With
Just like Gajendra, just like Dhruva Maharaj and Prahlad Maharaj, Gajendra also.
yeah, Gajendra was in he was in very Gajendra was in very much distressed condition. Nobody was ready to help him, and he was calling in helpless condition to Lord. You know, first of all, he's praying. He is offering his respectful obeisances, and whatever he remembered the prayers from the previous life, he will recite later on. Okay, before reciting the any mantra, we have to offer our respectful obeisances. Did you remember Kunti Maharani prayers also? First verse, what is there? Namaste Purusham Tvadyam
Ishwaram Parikeparam Alaksham Sarvabhutanam Tam Bahiravasatam.
Yes, like that same way, even Bhisma Dev also was praying first of all to Krishna, his respectful obeisances. In this,
Tapon gabe Devone Swasukham Padate Quachit Viharto Prakritimupay Siya Bhava Pravaha.
and here also, first of all, Gajendra is praying to Lord, you know, before reciting the prayers. And here it says, who is the root cause of everything? Krishna is the root cause of everything, you know. Bhagavad Gita also he said like that. Brahmaji also said Sarva Karana Karana Iswara Parama Krishna Sachitananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Yes, in the Brahma prayers also he said same thing. Krishna himself said Aham Sarvasya. How many of you know the sloka? Aham Sarvasya Prabhava Matta Sarvam Pravartate. Yes, all of you. Yeah, he says, I am the cause of everything, this material world and the spiritual world. Yes, and he also entered in the everyone's heart. Let me meditate upon you. Yes, Gajendra is saying like that. Now we'll go to the sloka. Sri Gajendra Vacha Shri Gajendra Vacha. Sit here.
Shri Gajendra Vacha.
Shri Gajendra Vacha.
Shri Gajendra Vacha.
Om Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namah Bhagavate Tasmai.
Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namah Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai. Sit here.
Om Namah Bhagavate Tasmai.
Etat Siddhatmakam. Etat Siddhatmakam. Etat Siddhatmakam. Yata etat Siddhatmakam. Yata etat Siddhatmakam. Shri Gajendra Vacha. Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namah Bhagavate Tasmai.
Yata etat Siddhatmakam.
Atmakam.
Yata etat Siddhatmakai. Purusayadibijaya. 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 Shri Gajendra Vacha.
Shri Gajendra Vacha.
Om Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namah Bhagavate Tasmai.
Yata etat Siddhatmakam. Purusayadibijaya. Paresaya vidhimahi. Paresaya vidhimahi. Paresaya vidhimahi. Paresaya vidhimahi.
Pareshaya vidhimahi.
Shri Gajendra Vacha.
Vacha.
Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai.
Yata etat Siddhatmakam.
Etat Siddhatmakam.
Sayadibijaya.
Purushayadibijaya.
Pareshaya
Pareshaya vidhimahi.
One. You all can say. Yes, Shweta. Shri Gajendra
Vacha.
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai.
Yata etat Siddhatmakam.
Etat Siddhatmakam.
Purusayadibijaya.
Purushaya
Paresaya vidhimahi.
Paresaya
धीमहि
I will say whole sloka, then you all repeat after me. Whole sloka. Shri Gajendra Vacha.
Shri Gajendra Vacha
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai
Yata etat siddhatmakam. Pusayadi bijaya.
Purushaya Paresaya धीमहि
What do you want to say?
Mataji, can Akshita say?
Mataji, can Mukund say after?
You can just raise the hand. I'll call one by one. Yeah, but this Akshita, Janvi, and Mukund. After that, I'll call one by one. Say Akshita, you can say.
Okay, Mataji. Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yatate Dachitatmakam Purushaya Divijaya Pareshaya Divimahi.
Janvi, stand. See?
Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai
Bhagavate.
Bhagavate Tasmai
Yata etas
Etachit Akmakam
Purusayadi bijaya.
Parashaya Parashaya Dhimai.
Thank you, Janvi. Mukunda. You can.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yat Etachidatmakam Purushaya Bijaya Pareshaya Vidhimahi.
Yes, thank you so much. After that, Subhadra Giridhari, go ahead.
Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Etachitatmakam Purushaya Divijaya Parashaya Dhimai.
Thank you, Janvi. I have to see. Prahlad, you can go ahead.
Yes, Mataji. Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yata Chidatmakam Purushaya Dibijaya Pareshaya Vidhimahi.
Thank you so much. After that, Gayatri. Gayatri, can you go next? No.
Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Etachid Atmakam Purushaya Bijaya Pareshaya Dhimahi.
Esaya vidhimai. Yes.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yes, thank you. Garima, can you go next?
Okay. Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yata Etachidatmakam Purushaya Dibijaya Pareshaya Bhidhimahi.
Thank you so much. Yes, Deepak and Kaushi, can you go next? See, Deepak and Kaushi. Can you unmute?
Mataji. Mataji,
Yes.
how many slokas are in Gajendra prayers?
I had to figure out. I didn't see totally. Yes, okay. I'll see.
Mataji, I think it's like 27.
Yeah, 26 or 27. Yes, almost a lot of sloka is there.
It's from chapter. It's like Canto 8,
chapter 9, text 2 to 29.
Okay, 29. Yes. Okay. Yes.
No, chapter 3,
Yeah, it's 8 cantos, 8 to 29. Chapter 2 to 29. Yes,
So it goes to
27.
29.
Yes, Deepak and Kaushi, can you go?
We need the
Om Bhagavate Sri Gajendra Uvacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yata Takchida Atmak Purusha Purusya Diya
Et yata etasiddhatmakam.
Yata Eja Bijatmakam
Yata
Yata Eta
etasiddhatmakam.
Chidatmakam
Rusayadi bijaya.
Vishaka Vidiyaya
Sayadi.
Jayadi
Sayadi.
Chayadi
Rusayadi bijaya.
Chutayadi Vidaya
Paresayavi.
Parisayavi
Dhimai.
Simaye Hare Krishna
I
Mataji.
will
Thank you.
send the recording. You can practice at home. Okay, Deepa?
Okay, Mataji.
Thank you. Now, Meet. Can you go, Meet? Next. Okay, yes,
Yes, Mataji.
yes, go ahead.
Sri
Gajendra
Gajendra
Uvacha
Uvacha
Om Namo
Om Namah
Bhagavate
Bhagavate
Tasmai
Tasmai
Yata
Yata
Etach
Etat
Siddhatmakam
Siatmakam
Purusha
Purusha
Yadi
Yadi
Vijaya
Bujaya
Paresha
Presa
Yabhi
Yabi
Dhimahi.
Timai.
Thank you.
Hare
So
Krishna Mataji.
nice.
Thank you.
And now, whose turn is that? Yeah, Devina, can you go next?
Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yata Etachit Atmakam Purushaya Divijaya Pareshaya Vidhimahi.
Thank you so much. Anybody else who want to come? Yes, Esa and Bikram. Can you go next, Esa and Bikram? One by one you can go. If you both want to do, first Isa can and then next Bikram, okay?
Shri Gajendra Vacha. Om
Can you speak little loud?
Shri Gajendra Vacha. Om
Namo Bhagavate Tasmai
Namo Bhagavate Tasme.
Yata Etat Siddhatmakam
Yatha Etasiratmatam.
Purusayadi Bijaya
Pursadi Parijaya.
Paresaya Vidhimai.
Parisaya Vidimai.
Thank you so much. Balavrinda, do you want to go next?
Mataji Balavrinda wants to say.
Yes, go ahead.
Shri Gajendra Uvacha. Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai.
Yata etas
Yata Eta
Chidatmakam
Chidatmakam Purusham
Purushadi
Bija
Ya
Purusha Jaya
Paresha
Jaya
Adhimahi.
Paresha Yadibhimahi.
Thank you. Who is there now? Sadwait is there. You want to try Advait? And who is there? Jose, Jagadish.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes, Advait.
Gajendra Uvacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yat Chid Atmakam Pushadya Pujaya Paresaya Buddhi Mai.
Thank you. It's nice. Anybody else? Jagadish, do you want to go? Sama Gauri is there. Sama Gauri one. Jose is there. Jose Madhav. Madhava.
Mataji, this is me,
Who is this?
Shamagori.
Yes. Oh, Sama Gauri Mataji. I think I have.
Shri Gadendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasme Yat Eta Chidatmatkam Purushaya Dibijaya Pareshaya Vidhi Mahi.
Mataji, Shamagauri. We thought Shamagauri kid Mataji. There is one kid whose name is Shamagauri also.
Sama Gauri is in Damodar group. It's okay. Mataji is also. Mataji's voice also is a very cute.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Manmay Krishna, you want to go? Yeah, Madhava want. Yes, Madhava, go ahead.
Shri Gajendra Uvacha
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai.
Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai
Yate etach
Etachirat
yatha
Etasidatmakam
Yatachiratmakam
Purusayati Bijaya
Pujushaya Bijaya
Paresaya
Paresaya Bija
Dhimai.
Bhimai Dhimai Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Shreya and Shreyas. Shreya and Shreyas, do you want to go?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
Shri Gajendra Vacha Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yata Echa Chidadmakam Purushaya Dabijaya Paresaya Vidhimahi.
Thank you so much, kids. And now next week we'll do crocodile history, and then we'll learn this sloka also practice. You can also practice at home. We don't have anything today. Anything to share? Are you doing something special in Valentine for Krishna?
I think tomorrow I'll make cards for my family.
Okay, you are making a card.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna make cards for my
Okay.
Since they're still being naughty, I will send the police.
Okay, Garima, what you are doing? Yeah, can you show the card we made, Zanavi?
family.
Balavrinda, what you are doing for tomorrow, Krishna?
I am making a card and
Okay.
blueberry muffin. No, bracelet. I'm making a bracelet for Krishna and a card for Krishna. We made a card for Krishna. And also, I am putting some hearts on the paper and coloring and drawing Krishna and me, and giving it to Krishna.
Okay. I'll show our card, okay?
Okay.
Baba.
Okay, mommy.
And then who is other? Isa and Bikram, what you are making? Are you doing something? You drawing? Are you making a card?
Mataji?
Yes, Karina.
No, what are you saying? Like, no, what? No, you're asking the kids, like, what are you making? Like,
Are you doing something? Are you making something for Krishna in Valentine's Day? I was thinking, you know, I was asking to kids.
Oh, Valentine's Day.
Yes, we made this. See, we made this card. I was thinking to make
fine.
this card. We made this card for yesterday. We're teaching to the kids.
And then open it.
Here's Janvi. This is Janvi, and this is flowers. She was writing.
This is me, and this is the flowers.
Heart
This is
flower, and
There
she's
was
writing
something here.
something. And this is a card we made.
It says, Happy Valentine's Day, Krishna. Hare Krishna, I love you so much. So very much.
Mm.
That is very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's nice, Janavi.
Beautiful card, Janavi.
Thank you.
That was a very nice card, Janavi.
Very, very good girl. You have so much love for Krishna. Good job.
Thank you.
You all can make something too, just like this card. You know, I was thinking to make this card today with all of you, but
We didn't have time.
no, we didn't know we have time or not. You know.
Mommy, is it
Yeah. Thank you so much. Now we all can meet to next week. Okay. Thank you all the kids for joining.
Thank you, Mataji, for the class. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
नाम पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो कोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय। श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय। अंजना गोपिका माता जी की जय।
Mataji, bye. Mataji, bye. Thank you for the class. Thank you for the class. Hare Krishna. Bye.
Bye.